Let's start drawing a slice of watermelon step by step in a very simple and easy way. You could draw along with me using your own paper and pencil. Let's draw together. Drawing of watermelon slice is complete. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Today we are going to draw this pineapple step by step in a very simple way. Let's start. First we are drawing an oval-like shape. Then the leaf of the pineapple. Let's draw some more leaves which are present at the back of the pineapple. Now we are going to make many slanting line which will make this oval shape look like a pineapple in a very easy way. The easy pineapple drawing is complete. Hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe to the channel for more such drawing and coloring. Thank you for watching.